Hello, this is Stephanie from mypasttheciaexam.com. Today, I'll share my thoughts on the benefits of getting the CIA versus CPA qualification. Before we start, let's be clear on what these qualifications represent. CPA, which stands for Certified Public Accountant in the US, is a license granted by state boards of accountancy in the United States. The license is used for accountants to perform certain tasks, such as signing the audit reports. CIA stands for Certified Internal Auditor. It's not a license, so it does not give holders privilege as in the case of the CPA. It is instead a certification granted by the Institute of Internal Auditors to demonstrate a level of expertise in areas relevant to internal audit, compliance, and risk management. What's great about CPA? Here are some of the reasons why you may want to go for the CPA designation. First, recognition and prestige. The US CPA designation is one of the most, if not the most, recognized accounting qualifications in the world. The AICPA has the longest history and the largest number of members among all accounting professionals associations. Having the CPA title after your name means prestige and recognition among your peers and business partners in the accounting industry and the corporate world. Second, high standard in exam and licensing requirements. The CPA designation is also respected because of its strict rules on eligibility. With the 150 credit hour requirement, all candidates are required to have a level of education equivalent to a master's degree. Most states ask for accounting and business courses similar to what is needed for an accounting major. Also, most states require candidates to complete 1 to 2 years of experience supervised by another CPA. The standard is high relative to other qualifications, and this makes the CPA name stand out from the crowd. Third, the most versatile among accounting qualifications. The CPA exam covers a wide variety of topics, including financial accounting, auditing, corporate governance, U.S. taxation, business laws and ethics, management accounting, strategic planning, corporate finance and financial management, and economics. Because of this, a CPA is seen to have a broad set of skills, and this opens a lot of doors for them. This is particularly the case for new niches within accounting and finance, where there is not yet a niche-specific qualification. CPAs often have the first-mover advantage in these areas. What's great about CIA? First, CIA is most relevant to internal auditors. If you are an internal audit professional, it makes the most sense to get a qualification dedicated to the industry. The financial crisis since the turn of the century have led to ever-increasing demand for compliance professionals every year, and Certified Internal Auditor is the only globally recognized designation in this field. Second, it's cheaper and faster. On the practical side, it's faster and more affordable to become a CIA versus a CPA. The exam requirement is a lot simpler. The IIA takes care of the application and certification process, versus in a CPA, you have to select a state board of accountancy and deal with various bodies such as NASPA and the AICPA. On the exam itself, there are 3 parts versus 4 parts in the CPA exam, and the first 2 parts in the CIA exam are easy and straightforward. The scope is also limited to internal audit. In a way, you can see CIA with higher return on your time and effort. Third, too tough to get qualified for the CPA exam. I understand that some of you may have gone through education many years ago or outside of the US, so the latest CPA requirements makes it very hard for you to get qualified. CIA presents the great alternative of a sound accounting qualifications in the US and the rest of the world. If you are interested in pursuing a career in internal audit, risk management, and compliance in big companies, the CIA qualification has the most value in this area. Fourth, CIA is globally recognized. CIA is one of the most global accounting qualifications, with its footprint in all regions around the world. The exam is given in 17 languages, and there are many local IIA chapters where you can get updated information in the industry and network with professionals in your area. I hope this video helps you decide whether to pursue the CPA or the CIA. If you have any thoughts, comments, or stories to tell, please drop me a note in the comment section. You might want to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more updates as well. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.